What time is it? Why is it so bright? Wait, what?
Surprise attack! Good morning, Mom!
Oh my goodness, kids, what is that thing hovering over me?
It's a sloth.
A sloth? Why is a sloth staring into my soul at 6:00 in the morning?
Relax. It's not real. It's a mask. We made it last night.
A mask!
Look, I cut the eye holes and I glued the smile myself.
I think I just lost 5 years of my life. I swear I saw my childhood flash by.
Mom, who's that monster in our room?
That monster is your sister.
Oh, sloth sisters. Of course.
Do you like it, Dad?
I love it. I really do. Just not 2 centimeters from my eyeballs at sunrise.
All right. Good morning, my wild jungle explorers.
Mom, today is a big day. Adventure day.
And almost gave me a heart attack day.
Pancakes!
I see them, sweetie.
And fresh mango.
You want everything, don't you?
Mom, what are we doing today?
I thought, maybe the beach? Or something cooler.
Cola.
I booked a jungle tour.
A what?
A full-day jungle tour. Rainforest, animals, waterfalls.
Mon, why didn't you tell me yesterday?
Because I wanted everyone to actually sleep last night.
You are unbelievable.
You're welcome.
I'm ready for the rainforest. I want monkeys.
Eat first, adventure later.
Can I wear the sloth mask?
Absolutely not. Buenos dias. Good morning.
What does buenos dias mean again?
It means good morning in Spanish.
Can we say it too?
Of course.
Buenos dias.
Close enough.
What's this fruit?
Papaya. Very sweet today. And listen, pura vida.
What does pura vida mean?
It means pure life, but people use it to say hello, thank you, good vibes, all sorts of happy things. Good. Costa Rica will love you.
Are we learning Spanish today too?
Yes? Explore.
Good morning. Are you the Riveras?
Yes, that's us.
I'm Mateo, your guide today.
Nice to meet you.
Today we learn about nature, animals, and some English too.
English and monkeys?
Maybe both.
Let's practice some new words. Repeat after me. Rainforest.
Rain. Forest.
Waterfall.
Water. Fall.
River.
River.
Perfect. Better than my pronunciation on a Monday morning.
Look. Mountains.
Wow. Huge, beautiful, powerful.
Mateo, will we see dinosaurs?
No dinosaurs today.
That's okay. Sloths are cooler.
Stay together, team. Hands, everyone.
Mum, seriously.
Explorers stay in teams.
Look, tiny lizard. So fast.
Listen, birds.
It sounds like someone playing music in the trees.
Look up, sloth.
Aww, so slow and adorable.
This is a three-toed sloth. Very peaceful.
I love him. I want his job.
Do sloths fall down?
I hope not. They look too relaxed to fall.
They're strong. They hold branches all day and night.
That's my dream lifestyle.
It smells like green.
Very green, very alive.
Wait, shh. Did you hear that?
Snake?
No, look up.
Monkeys.
Fast little acrobats.
That one is upside down.
They're exactly like you too.
Do they want a bite?
No food, amigo.
Hey, that monkey has my hat.
Honestly, it looks better on him.
Dad, my hat has abandoned me.
Welcome to jungle life.
Careful, old bridge ahead.
It's okay, sweetie. I'm right here.
Look, fish.
Not the moment, honey.
I did it.
Brave explorer. very proud.
Wow, a hidden beach.
Perfect. 5 stars. No crowds, no noise, no emails.
Can we swim?
Yes, but only in the shallow part.
Hello, amigos. Coconut water.
That sounds perfect.
Mom, is he from here?
Yes.
He said something. What does it mean?
It means so tasty.
This coconut water is delicious.
Fresh from the tree.
Best day ever.
Cora Vida explorers.
Pura vida.
Enjoy your day, amigos.
He was so friendly.
Local vendors always know the best snacks. They're like walking B12 vitamins.
Beach sandwiches taste magical. That's actual science.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Show.
Show.
Sen.
Sacked.
Mateo. What's that piece of wood?
That is driftwood.
Driftwood? Good job, Leo. You spotted it first.
What was that sound?
Thunder.
Oh no, rain is coming. Quick, pack everything.
It's raining so fast.
Grab your shoes, explorers.
The weather changes faster than our kids' moods.
We're soaked!
I actually love it.
Everything looks shiny. Like the whole beach turned silver.
Tropical rain is normal here. It will pass soon.
This is strangely relaxing, like nature's own white noise.
And the rain feels warm.
Warm rain, Costa Rica edition.
Look, it stopped already.
That was fun. Wet, but fun.
The forest smells different now.
After rain, everything wakes up.
Same for me. I'm fully awake now.
We're heading to a small waterfall soon.
Not huge, but very beautiful.
Will there be frogs?
Maybe. Some of them look like tiny jewels.
As long as they don't try to steal my hat like the monkeys.
No promises.
I hear something.
I hear it too, the waterfall.
It sounds like the forest is singing a song.
That is such a beautiful way to say it. I hate.
Whoa. This place looks unreal.
It's like stepping into a postcard.
I want to jump in.
Maybe don't jump, but you can gently touch the water.
It's freezing.
Waterfalls usually are.
Do families come here a lot?
Yes, especially on weekends.
Do they swim?
Sometimes, but after rain, the water gets stronger.
So, no swimming today.
Correct. Safety first.
Boom! Look! A rainbow!
Oh my gosh. That's incredible.
I caught it.
You caught the magic of the forest.
Does it mean something?
It means the rainforest shines after the rain.
This place feels alive.
It has its own spirit.
Who's that woman?
This is Rosa. She takes care of the trail for visitors.
Enjoy the waterfall, niños. Nature is a gift, she said.
She was so kind, like a forest grandmother.
She really feels magical.
What a day! Jungle, monkeys, rain, waterfall, rainbow.
You forgot the sloth. And when Dad almost lost his hat.
A heroic rescue by Mateo.
My pleasure.
Mateo, thank you for everything today.
You're very welcome.
What's next?
Next, we head back to the beach road. The bus waits there.
Then back to the hotel.
Yes, rest now. Adventure tomorrow.
I'm tired but happy.
Same here, sweetheart.
Mom, look, fireflies!
They're like tiny stars floating in the air.
This forest looks magical at sunset.
I could stay here forever.
No, we still need to see the beach again, spot the monkeys again, eat dinner, and ice cream.
Right. Priorities. Ice cream first.
We're almost back to the beach road.
10 more minutes, kids.
Stay close, explorers.
What's this rock?
Careful. Leo, let me see.
It looks like a pancake rock.
Or a puzzle piece.
Whoa, that doesn't look modern.
It's old. Really old. Look at these patterns.
Where did you find it?
Right under that big tree.
How old do you think it is?
Maybe from an ancient culture.
Ancient. Like old?
Yes. Very old.
Is it treasure?
Maybe a treasure clue.
Maybe there's gold.
Or a golden monkey.
Or a diamond doll.
All right, slow down, treasure hunters.
Or chocolate coins.
I would accept chocolate coins.
Same. Chocolate treasure is still treasure.
This symbol, I've seen it in a museum before.
Really?
Yes, a tribe lived here long ago. They made objects like this.
Mum, can we look for more pieces? Please? Please?
How could I say no? A tiny treasure hunt before dinner sounds perfect.
Hey!
Stay close. Look for pieces like this, eyes on the ground.
And no touching anything alive. Got it.
Good rule.
What if we find a whole treasure chest?
Or a map?
Or the rest of this broken artifact?
Maybe.
No, look!
What is it?
Another piece.
No way.
This is unbelievable.
And look, these two pieces, they fit together perfectly. This isn't just a random stone.
No, this feels intentional.
The carvings, they line up too perfectly.
So, what does it mean?
I'm not completely sure yet.
But it has to be something, right?
Yes, definitely something important.
Mum, Dad, this means we're real treasure hunters.
The excitement in your voices is priceless.
Best day ever. I mean it.
Honestly, this is unbelievable.
Crazy in the best possible way.
But explorers, we should head back.
It's getting dark faster than we thought.
The forest changes at night, and we need to be safe.
Tomorrow, we can search again. A treasure hunt, part 2.
Yes, tomorrow we return with fresh eyes and maybe better luck.
All right, little adventurers.
Time to wrap up today's mission.
What a day it has been.
Our very first big day in Costa Rica.
The rainforest trails.
The curious animals watching us from the trees.
The hidden beach with silver rain.
And now, a mysterious artifact from an ancient world.
Will we discover the rest of the pieces?
Is there a real treasure waiting beneath these trees?
And what secrets are hiding in this rainforest tomorrow?
Our little family is officially on an adventure.
Join us in part 3 as we continue the hunt.
Follow every step until the final clue is revealed.
And if you like today's journey,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
so you won't miss the next chapter of our Costa Rica adventure.
More excitement, more discoveries, and more Chloe Daily English coming soon.